YouTube, what up though? It's your boy Cuts by Chaz, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a medium skin fade or a medium regulation military haircut on my client here who's in the army. And the reason I want to show you guys this haircut specifically is to show you exactly how to attack a hairline that's not perfect. As you can see, my client has a little bit of recession going on, and we're gonna get him a lineup that's crisp, clean, and not pushed back. Let's jump right into it. Of course, I'm gonna start right off by knocking that top down. I'm using a wall one guard right there. That's a wall one guard. Next, we're gonna go ahead and set that line. Right now, I'm using my seniors, my cordless seniors, and that is the clipper completely closed. Alright, we're gonna come right underneath that with our Andy Slimline Pros. And get the bottom of that fade completely skinned. Next, we're gonna create our first section, taking our clipper and open it all the way up. So that'll be the wall clipper all the way open. And guys, when you fade, make sure you give yourself space to fade. So when you're making your sections, make sure you make enough room so you can blend. Then from there, we're gonna do clipper halfway, then close and take that line out and blend that first section. Next up, we're gonna take that wall one guard and create another section. Then we're gonna blend that section out by taking our wall half guard, going halfway, then completely close. Just doing a little bit of lever play in between to get that blend nice and smooth. Alright, and finally, we're gonna take that 1.5 guard, catch the peak of that fade, create our next section. Then we're gonna come right underneath that with that one guard again. As you can see, it's all starting to come together. Now I'm gonna just go back and do a little bit of spot checking. You can't see from the video, but I like to look at my mirror to double check my work. The mirror does not lie. See my client dozing off on me. Alright, now let's attack this line. First, what I'm doing here is I'm knocking the hairs down to try to get it nice and smooth. Hit it with a little bit of spritz. Freeze that line up. Alright, now when I do my lineups, I like to do each post first. So my left post, then my right post, create my line in the middle, and then just connect the dots. Now as you can see, his hairline he got a little bit of recession going on. We're gonna make it as clean as possible without pushing him back. See, I'm always constantly combing that hair forward, because when he gets home, you see he's a waver. So he's gonna get home and brush. So all that work that you did go away if you're not, being diligent and combing that hair forward. Attention to detail. Look, you already see that smile on his face? Yeah, we in there. I'm hitting it now with the beam team compressor. Got a new video on the way. I got the XL. I'm gonna do an unboxing on that. You see, when I'm using this enhancement, I try to keep it real light and natural looking. Checking that mirror. And we're gonna tap it with that razor. When you're using a razor, you want to always make sure you're stretching that skin. Bam, there you have it. Now, y'all seen this lineup before. I did my absolute best on that. Y'all drop a comment below. Let me know if I put him back in the game. Clean. If this is your first time at the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below and let me know what y'all thought about the video, and stay tuned for new videos I got coming every week.